Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical and Educational TV. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. In this video we will see how to write PHP files and what is the basic syntax of PHP file, how to run these files. First of all, you have to run your text editor. I am using Sublime text editor. So let's code. First of all, you have to put less than symbol, then question mark, then PHP, put enter, again enter, put question mark, and then greater than symbol. As this is the starting tag of PHP file and this is ending tag of PHP file. All PHP code you have to put inside these starting and ending tags of PHP. So let's write a basic function of PHP in this file, and then we will see how to run this type of file. Echo space double quotation semicolon. Hello PHP. As we have used a basic function named echo. The function of echo is to display the text or given constants over web browser, and this is called semicolon. Semicolon is used to indicate or tell the function that this is the ending of your work. So let's see how to save these files. Press Ctrl S for saving. Then you have to search the directory where you have installed your XAMPP server. I had installed this on C drive, so this is the XAMPP folder. Double click in XAMPP folder, we will see the htdocs folder. In this folder you have to create a new folder for easily access your files. Let's name it as tech _edu _tv. Okay, then we have to go inside this folder. Now name the file. Let's name it as a demo1.php. The extension of these files must be PHP, otherwise this file will not work properly. Click on save. So we have seen this file is saved and its color shows that it's saved properly. Now work is to run this type of file. First of all, you have to click on your XAMPP server or find through window key. Now you have to start your Apache server. This is Apache. Click start. So we get our Apache server working. Now click on your browser. In URL you have to put localhost guys. These all files are saved inside htdoc folders. So we have now to find our folder where we have saved our file. we have saved our file in tech underscore edu underscore tv folder. Click, this is file we have saved, so click on this. This is what we have written in echo function. So that's all guys. That's the basic very basic syntax of PHP, and how to save these PHP files and how to run these PHP files. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, so and click on bell icon so you can get my all upcoming videos.